My name is Jesus Villalobos. I'm the owner of Cachapas. So Cachapas, I like to describe it as a cornbread pancake hybrid almost. It has the sweetness of the corn with like a pancake-like texture. So it's something that you find is more of a street food in Venezuela, and they're eating for breakfast, lunch, dinner, doesn't really matter, all times. The 3 a.m., 4 a.m. after the club kind of food, it's that good street food. So we take some corn, grind it up, put different kind of spices, some corn flour, oil, eggs. Traditionally, Cachapa is just with Venezuelan cheese, which is creamier mozzarella almost. But the one we're making now is fresh mozzarella, Gouda cheese, Parmesan, and nata, which is a Venezuelan style sour cream. As a kid growing up in Venezuela, you would go on road trips, and one thing you look forward to is stopping by one of those roadside stands and having one of the cachapas. So I learned to make the cachapas when I was 15, working at the restaurant, which I've been doing for the last 10 years. Different family members helped us out. We came up with the recipe and we haven't changed since. So I think food definitely gives you insight into other people's culture before you even get to know a person from that place. So having people that don't interact with Venezuelan people or that community as much come in here, trying the food, and then they know we're there, they've had our food, so they like us a little bit already.
I think that is what's nice about this, is the fact that it's not trying to be something that it's not. It's not trying to be an Instagram food, it's just good, right? I think that's what's really great about this.